Turbine for wind generator. What is wind turbine? A wind turbine is a device that converts kinetic energy of the wind into electrical energy. The components of wind turbine. Nacelle contains gearbox, low and high speed shafts, generator, controller and brake. Blade lifts and rotates when wind is blown over them. Rotor spins generator to create electricity. And tower. How does a wind turbine work? Normally, wind turbines have 3 blades mounted to a tower made from tubular steel. The height of the tower, which is usually higher than 100 feet, will allow the turbine to have faster wind speeds due to higher altitudes. The turbine's blades will catch the wind's energy, causing a pocket of low-pressure air to form on one side of the blade. The low-pressure air pocket will then pull the blade, causing the rotor to turn. The rotor will spin like a propeller. A series of gears will increase the rotation of the rotor. This will allow the turbine generator to produce AC electricity. The turbine also has a controller that keeps the rotor speeds from exceeding 55 meters per hour to avoid damage by high winds. Wind turbines also have an anemometer that measures the wind speed, and it will transmit the wind speed data to the controller. How do wind turbines distribute electrical energy? Electricity from the wind turbine generator will travel to the transmission substation where it is converted into extremely high voltage. Power substations at the demand centers convert the high voltage power from transmission grid to lower voltage power. From here, it moves to smaller distribution grid via another transformer where consumers are connected to. Types of wind turbine. Horizontal axis turbine have blades like airplane propeller, normally have 3 blades. Taller and longer turbines generate more electricity, currently in use worldwide. Vertical axis turbines have blades that attach to the top and bottom of a vertical rotor. Example, Darius wind turbine do not perform as well as horizontal axis turbines. Application of wind turbine. Number 1. Run pumps to draw water from the ground through windmills. Number 2. Run flour mills to grind the grains like wheat and corn into flour in factory. Number 3. Generate electricity for domestic uses. Pros and cons of wind turbines. Here we go. Pros of wind turbines. Firstly, it is clean and renewable. Wind energy is completely renewable and will never run out. Secondly, it is cost effective. Wind turbines can give energy to numerous homes. Thirdly, it creates jobs. Jobs now exist for the manufacturing, installation, maintenance of wind turbines, and there are even jobs in wind energy consulting. Lastly, it is sustainable. As long as the sun shines and the wind blows, the energy produced can be harnessed to send power across the grid. Cons of wind turbines. Number 1. It is a threat to wildlife, especially birds and other flying creatures that may be in the area. Number 2. Wind energy is intermittent. Wind energy isn't always available for dispatch in times of peak electricity demand. Number 3. Noise and visual pollution. Wind turbines make a sound that can be between 50 and 60 decibels. Number 4. Remoteness of location. The cost of travel and maintenance on the turbines increases and is time-consuming. Every wind turbine lasts for about 20 to 25 years. As long as the wind blows, wind turbines can harness the wind to create power. Wind power only makes up a tiny percent of electricity that is produced. Unlike coal, wind turbines don't create greenhouse gases and are completely renewable source. That's all. Thank you for watching.